Welcome to my second channel whereby I talk about tech, design, and anything related to IT and design. Today I'm here to list 3 things I wish I knew before becoming a freelancer. Hold on. You wish you want to become a freelancer, right? But there is a whole lot of things that our bosses face that we don't know. Our own is to just create designs for them. And you know something? Just for me not to forget, I listed a whole lot of things, but I only want to discuss 3. If you want more, let me know in the comment section so that I can pinpoint all those points for you all. First of all, clear communication is key. You have to know what your client wants. Especially, you share how important it is to you to set expectations early, such as deadlines. You know, sometimes we encounter a client, they'll give you design today, they want you to print it for them, but they expect you to do everything that day for them. So imagine you're not having a large format printer. You're supposed to do the design and you forward it to your printer guy or whoever who's supposed to print your designs for you. And those people too, you are not the only customer. They have other customers that they are supposed to attend to. And your client is also giving you pressure. Are you also going to give your printer guy pressure? No, you can't. Because your printer guy can also tell you that, please, the time you are giving me, I can't, because I also have clients. So unless you send it to a different place, and maybe for instance that your printer guy is like where you get the good quality printouts. You know, everybody has a large format, but it takes a few people to have a very good machine and how they print our stuff for us, such as stickers, banner, and labels, especially labels, because you can do a design for a label, they'll print it and it will become blur. So you have to set such expectations to your client, or else they'll be on your neck. My design, as if they gave it to you a month ago or something. So you have to do that. And also you mention tools like contract and create brief to avoid misunderstanding. You heard that right. To like some of the clients, sorry to say, they are like devils. I bet you for. You can do a design for them. They'll tell you that proceed to print. You proceed and forward it. They start printing, be like, oh, I found a mistake, or I want to change something. You have to make certain things clear to them that when I send design to you, make sure you do the needed corrections before I forward it, and or even if it's something I can print in my own office, I'll print it for you. Don't let me finish printing and you later tell me that let's change it, and when I'm charging you for that, it will be like I'm a bad guy here. I hope you understand. I don't want to say much about it. I know most of us experience it, so definitely if you experience it, let me know in the comment section. 2, clients don't always know what they want, bro. Especially those pastors, those upcoming pastors. I'm not against you people, sorry, but you people mostly don't know what you want, because sometimes they will tell you that, oh, okay, especially the new year that we entered, the crossover, they'll see a nice billboard, and honestly the billboard I'm mostly seeing is very nice. Those ICGC and those big churches, they get good designers, creators, and printers for them. They'll go and bring similar design, or like they'll bring it for you to recreate it for them, and now they'll give you a whack picture that you can't even edit. It becomes blurry, and sometimes you can't copy the same design the person brought. At least you're a creative person, so you need to do something about the design. The moment you change something, oh, I don't know, Susanna, why did you change? I told you I want this. But I don't know you're a designer, because definitely, you know, some of us, we leave our handles in the design, so that if you want anything like that, you contact us. Here lies the case, they want the same exact thing they've brought. We don't do things like that, pastors. And also those upcoming food vendors and all those, they'll tell you that, oh, do a logo for them. You know the logo, maybe you in your head, you want to create a logo that the person can use it forever. They can use it on their letterheads, their complimentary cards, their, like, if they want to advance themselves. But they want that kind of, I'll leave a picture of that logo behind me. That logo, what are you getting? It is only for social media, does it? But we too, we are looking at the future. So me, most they have problem with such people, and it doesn't work like that. So the second point is how some clients may not have a clear vision and the importance of asking the right question to clarify their needs. So some clients, they'll not ask the right question. Like me personally, when you come and you want a design from me, I'll ask, what are the colors for your brand, or what are the colors you want? Because me personally, I don't use any color like that. 2 colors are fine for me. 3, maybe the font and some, like we change something in it, but more than 3, I think, what are we doing there? That's not graphic designing for me. So me personally, when you come to me, I tell you that let me know your colors. So when I know your colors, I can create something out of the colors you have given me. And I'm creating something for myself, for my audience to see. I still use white and blue, and you see it run through whatever I'm doing for myself. Lately, I created a letterhead, a logo, a new logo for rebranded, and a flyer, and also a complimentary card for myself on TikTok. You can check them out, and I also post it on Shorts here. You can see that all the designs I've made, it is white and blue and nothing else. So definitely you need to communicate with your client what they want, the vision of what they want, then you can proceed. And third thing I want to discuss for me to close this, your budget. My videos I posted, someone asked me that why am I charging 100 cedi upwards for flyer, because I'm spoiling the market. It's not like I'm spoiling the market. I'm in Kaswa, and someone can open his or her mouth and tell you that the design you did, I'm going to take you 30, I'm going to give you 30 cedis, sorry. And they've forgotten how you rack your brain to bring up their vision into life. They've forgotten how, like, maybe the software you are using, the electricity you are using, the computer, whatever you are using, they don't think of that. They can tell you that, oh, this design, they say 20 Ghana, maybe call her, yeah, I'm 20 Ghana. And that hurts me the more, because we have those upcoming graphic designers on street. The moment they know how to combine shapes and fonts, they think that they are graphic designers. They have stopped learning their job and they've created their own thing, and they're just doing whack design on street. I don't do that. My designs are unique. Definitely we look at other creators, we look at other designs so that we can create ours, but that doesn't mean that you undervalue my design or say that, oh, I'll give you 30 cedis or 50 cedis for the design. I used to take 50 cedis though, but I realized that I'm more than 50 cedis now. So my lowest, even if you tell me that I should come down, I would rather take you 80 cedis or 70 cedis for maybe a flyer you want to post that you are not ready to print. And mind you, me like this, if you are not ready to pay, I reduce the resolution. You can't even use it. Forget about, I'll just take a picture with my phone, not even like download it and save it as JPEG and send it to you. No, because some customers are evil. They will be using the design, but they don't want to pay you. And that is when they undervalue your job. Yes, I'm telling you, these are the 3 things I wish I knew before becoming a graphic designer. Because when I used to become a graphic designer in a printing press shop, I was just doing designs. I didn't know what was behind the scenes, and I didn't know what my boss was facing. Becoming a freelance graphic designer, it gave me more income, because the design that my boss would take maybe 1K with printing and everything, and he'll pay me monthly salary as the same. I can take that same 1K, just use about 300 cedis to print, and the 700 cedis is mine. I'm yet to receive such contracts again. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. If you want to hear more, let me know in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.